Now we start today ratio and proportion, right? So ratio you have studied from your junior classes, right? Ratio and proportion you have studied from your junior classes, right? I hope. So nothing is new in that. Bit, you know, what is it? Okay, these two exercises. Fine. So we are going to talk ratio and proportion, right? Ratio is what? Ratio is comparison of comparison of comparison of similar objects. Similar objects. Fine. Similar objects. So A ratio B can be written as A upon D. Right? This is called antecedent antecedent, right? And this is called consequent. Consequent, right? In fraction, you used to call it, in fraction you call it, you know, numerator, numerator, and this is called denominator, right? So this is you have ratio. Now, ratio first is compounding of ratio. Compounding of ratio, that is A ratio B, C ratio D, and E ratio F, right? So we can write A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F is equal to A plus C plus E upon B plus D plus F. It is sum of antecedents, sum of antecedents, antecedents, antecedents and sum of consequent. Consequence, right? This is we have compounding of ratio. I hope you understand to some extent. Okay. Then we have duplicate ratio. Duplicate duplicate ratio of A ratio B is equal to A square ratio B square, right? We have Now we have triplicate ratio, triplicate ratio triplicate ratio of A ratio B is equal to A cube ratio B cube, right? And subduplicate ratio, subduplicate, subduplicate ratio of A ratio B is equal to root A ratio root B, right? And subtriplicate ratio, sub subtriplicate ratio, subtriplicate ratio of A ratio B is equal to cube root of A ratio cube root of B. Getting? So this much we have to initiate, right? Baki ratio you know very well how this one is. So now we should come on the questions. Should I run this? So I'm waiting. Give me a glass of water. Glass of water. Yeah. Oh. So the question which you send me are from the last. Uh, what is that last one? Yeah, 21. Okay. What is question? Question number 21 is that ratio proportion. Question number 21. In an examination, the ratio of pass to fail students. Ratio ratio of pass is to fail is equal to 4:1. 4:1. Right? Let student student be X. So past students is equal to 4x, and failed students is X. Right? So now total number of students total number of students students will be 4x plus x is equal to 5x. Fine. This is we have total number of students. Right. Now what is given if 30 less had appeared. Right. So 30 less appeared appeared. Then total students be total students becomes 5x minus 30, right? And 20 less passed, right? And 20 less passed, 20 less 20 less passed, 20 less passed. It means so pass students becomes pass students students becomes 4x minus 20. Getting 30. The ratio of pass to failure will be 5:1. Yes. So this is the total number of ratio. This is the pass number of ratio. So number of failed students becomes number of failed students becomes number of failed students is equal to 5x minus 30 minus 4x plus 20. Yeah, so it becomes x minus 10, right? X minus 10. X minus 10. Now, given new new ratio new ratio of of pass is to fail is equal to 5:1. So pass is how many? 4x minus 20. Or fail is how many? X minus 10. And this is 5 upon 1. We cross multiplied it, we get 5x minus 50 is equal to minus 4x minus, sure, 20. So now bring this 50 on the other side, bring this 50 on this side, and 4x on this side. So you get 5x minus 4x is equal to 50 minus 20. So you get x is equal to 30, right? Now total students total students are is equal to 5x here, 5x. So 5 into 30 is equal to 150 students. Getting? Check the answer. This was question number 21 which we have done. I hope you understand too. 150. Okay. Now, this question, should I rub this? You can do it now. Okay. Now we have question number 20. It came year 2012 board, right? Board exams. So question is like that. The monthly pocket money of Rabia and Sanjeev. Okay. There are two persons. There are two persons, Ravi and Sanjeev. Sanjeev, right? And monthly pocket money, monthly pocket money, monthly pocket money, pocket money is equal to 5:7. Very nice. So let money be x, money be x, then he gets 5x and he gets 7x, right? Sorry, this is the ratio. Sorry, cannot write here. So Ravi gets 5x and Sanjeev gets 7x. Very nice. So what is next? What else is given? Hmm, Yes, their expenditures expenditures are in ratio expenditures expenditures in 3:5. Right. So let expenditure expenditure be y. So Ravi is 3y and Sanjeev have 5y. Okay. So what? So you know that it's in general philosophy of life that income is equal to sorry income is equal to expenditure expenditure plus saving, right? So their income is monthly pocket money, monthly 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 pocket money, right? Expenditure is like this and saving is like this. So and their saving is same. I hope, na? They both they both they both save same amount. That is rupees 80. Getting? They both save same amount. That is rupees 80. So when we put the values here, so income is so our equation is equal to 5x for Ravi. 5x is equal to 3x 3y plus 80. So and for this is for Ravi and this and for Sanjeev it is how much? Oh no, Sanjeev. Oh yeah, it is 7x is equal to 5y 5y plus 80. Very nice. So we can write it in like this way that 5x minus 3y is equal to 80 and 7x minus 5y is equal to 80. Very good. What you do now? You can't do anything. You can't do anything. In spite of that, we multiply this equation, this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. So 5 5 the 25x minus 15y is equal to 400 and this is 21x minus 15y this becomes 240. Get it? Now on subtracting, yes, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. They will be cancelled out and we get and you get, 4x, you get 4x, 4x is equal to 160, 160, right? So it means, 4x is equal to 160, so x is equal to 40. If you put in equation, this is we call, we can call this equation 1. So if we call this as equation 1, this is equation 2. So we substitute the value in equation 1. So into 5 into 40. 5 into 40 minus 3y. 3y is equal to 80. Now bring this 3y on this side and bring this 80 on this side. So it becomes 200 minus 80 is equal to 3y. So it becomes 120 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to also 40. Is it correct? No. What it is asking for? Just tell me the question, please. I was. This is not the question. Question is something else. What he is asking for? Yeah, they are asking for. They are. Their monthly pocket money will be. So Ravi is getting 5x. So monthly pocket money is 5 into 40. It becomes 200. Ravi is getting 200 and he is getting 7 into 40 is equal to 280. Ready? So this is monthly pocket money of Ravi is 200 and monthly pocket money of Sanjeev is rupees 280. Say if we talk about their expenses, then what will be their expenses? Means it is expenses. Expenses will be, 3 into 40 becomes rupees 120, rupees 120, and this is 200. Sanjeev is getting 200. 200 is expenses. So what is the saving? 200 minus 120 becomes 80, and 280 minus 200 becomes 80. So in all the case, right? So this is the solution of the question. Should I have this? Okay. No, no. Second part you try to do by your own. Right. Now I'm going to do question number 19, part second. I'm going to solve question number 19. Question number 19, part second. Right. What is that? Uh, what is that? The ratio of the number of boys to number of girls in a school of 560 pupils is 5:3. Okay. So, so total number of students is 560, right? And boys boys ratio girls is how much? 5 ratio 3. So sum of ratio, sum of ratio is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So number of boys, number of boys is equal to 5 by 8 into 560. 8, 8 sevens are 56, 70, it becomes 350, 350 boys. So number of girls is equal to 3 upon 8 into 560. Same we get 70. So we have 210 girls. 210 girls. Now what question is, if huh, if new two boys are admitted, so if new 10 boys admitted, admitted, so number of new boys, number of new boys, new boys is equal to 350 plus 10 is equal to 360. Get it? And find how many girls are to be admitted. Show the ratio. Yeah. So let X girls, X girls admitted X girls admitted. So number of new girls, number of new girls is equal to 210 plus X, right? And the new ratio given, new ratio given is equal to how much? 3 ratio 2. 3 ratio 2. So therefore, we can go like that. New boys ratio, new girls is equal to 3 is to 2, right? So we can write here 360 ratio 210 plus X is equal to 3 is to 2. So 360 upon 210 plus X is equal to 3 upon 2, right? This is how much? 3 1 are 3. This is 120. 120 multiplied by 2 becomes 240. So we get 210 plus X is equal to 240. So X is equal to 240 minus 210. So X is equal to 30. Right? So therefore, new girls admitted, new girls admitted is equal to x is equal to 30. This is your answer. I hope you get it. Can you check the answer, please? So same condition for this question also. Part 1 you will do by your own. So now we are going to on question number 18. 18. Yeah. So can you read the question, please? Which 20 we do first, 19 we do second, 18 we do first. Or you check it what you, which one you would like to. Okay. Now, question number 18, part 1. Question number 18, part 1. What is that? A certain sum of money is divided among A, B, C. Right? So let money be X. Right? It is divided among A, B, and C. In the ratio, what is that? 7 is to 5 is to 4. This is right. So a certain sum of money was divided among A, B, C in a ratio 7. So if B get 500 more than C, B get 500 more than C. So maybe total money be X. So X by 7 it is getting, right? X by 5 it is getting, X by 4 it is getting, right? And this is B is getting 500 more, 500 more than C. So B get B get 500 rupees, 500 more than C. Fine. So we can write it x upon 5 is equal to x upon 4 plus 500. Getting? So now you bring this on the other side. So x upon 5 minus x upon 4, you will get 500. You have taken 20 as an LCM. So 4x. Oh my God, something is wrong. Oh, oh, a misinterpretation. B is getting 500 more than C, right? So it means 5 plus x, sorry, x upon 5 plus 500. No, C is getting 500 more. No, 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 no. मतलब 500 मोर है ना बी का. हाँ तो ठीक है एक्स अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू हाँ तो 500 मोर तो एक्स अपॉन 500 एक्स अपॉन 5 प्लस 500 B is 500 more than C. Is x upon 4 plus 500. Uh, if we get 500 more than C. Huh. 500 more than C. B gets 500 more than C. Yeah, B gets, if B got 500 more than C, so it net 5 is to 5, 7 is to 6 upon 5, 6 upon 4. So whatever be the result, I under more. So where I am gone, where I am wrong? Maybe in thought process. ये मैंने जो डिनोमिनेटर लिया अगर डिनोमिनेटर इज लेस denominator is more then this value will be less and denominator is greater then value will be more. So it means ये मेरा जो डिवीजन मैंने इस फॉर्मेट में लिखा है that is wrong. है ना? That is wrong. This format is not correct, right? You just see there this denominator is greater na from this. So whatever you will get that will be less than this. But you are saying ki it is greater than this, so it is not matching with the assumptions which I made here, right? Hello. So where is wrong? Oh, so if I do it like this is how much? 16, right? 7 upon Technical division, मतलब 7 upon 16 part will be of this, right? 5 upon 16 part of this, and 4 upon 16 part of this, right? Now if I write, now if I write 5x upon 16 is equal to 4x upon 16 plus 500. So when we bring it on the other side, so 5x minus 5x plus x upon 16 minus 4x upon 16 is equal to 500, right? Is equal to 500. So what we do now, we have taken 16 as an LCM, so it is 5x minus x, it becomes 5000. Sorry, this is 5x minus 4x. 5x minus 4x is equal to 500. Fine. So it is x is equal to 8000. Total money is 8000. So how much he is getting? How much he is getting? That is, hmm, that is equal to 7 upon 16. A is getting 7 upon 16 into 8000. So it is 500. So it is getting 3500. And he is getting 5 upon 16 into 8000. So it is getting 500. It becomes 2500. Right? And C is getting 4 upon 16 into, oh, sorry, it is 18,000, right? 16, 5, it becomes 500. 500 into 4 becomes 2000. So now it is clear that B is getting 500 more than C. And these are the values they are getting, right? So total sum of money be 8000. Get it? This was question number 18, first part. Just a small difference in thought process. Here we have done here we have done sum of ratio. Here we have done sum of ratio, sum of ratio is equal to 5, sorry, 7 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 16. So E is getting this, B is getting this, and C is getting this. Right? So this is the way how to solve this. Got it? This was question number 18. Now come to 16. Should I rub this? What is question number 16 you have? 16. So question number 16 is like this. Question number 16 first part is like this, that that if woman reduces her weight, no, the side of a triangle are in the ratio 7 is to 5 is to 3, right? Ratio of ratio of sides of a triangle is what is 7 is to 5 is to 3. 7 is to 5 is to 3. Let dimension be x. Dimension be x. So side 1 is equal to 7x. Side 2 is equal to 5x. Side 3 is equal to 3x. Right? Now what? If the perimeter is 30 centimeter, so perimeter is given us 30 centimeter. Perimeter perimeter is 30 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 is equal to 30 is equal to 7x plus 5x plus 3x. So it becomes 30 is equal to 15x. So 15 minus 15, 15 2s are. So x is equal to 2. So side 1 is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 2 becomes 14 centimeter. Side 2 is equal to 5x. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. And side 3 is equal to 3x. So it is 3 into 2 is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So next we have, if angles of ratio, if the triangles, second part of this question is, second part second part uh, ratio of ratio of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4. 2 is to 3 is to 4, right? And we know that sum of sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? So sum of ratio is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, it becomes 9, right? So angle 1 is equal to 2 by 9 into 180. It it is 40 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 3 upon 9 into 180. It becomes 20 degree. It is 60 degree. And angle 3 is equal to 4 by 9 into 180. You get 20. It becomes 80 degrees. So the three interior angles of a triangle will be 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and 80 degrees. Just check the answer, please. Is it correct?